AWCI members are good people. But sometimes bad things happen to good people. Where do AWCI members turn when things get tough? They turn to AWCI because AWCI cares. Many AWCI members aren't aware that AWCI can help member employees who are in financial straits due to unexpected circumstances. Let's change that. A program called AWCI Cares, which stands for Caring Action Relief in Emergency Situations, is a charitable program of our foundation that is underutilized simply because many of our member companies and most of their employees don't know about it. Let's see how it works.
Debt had started to snowball. In the midst of all that, I had went through a few miscarriages and some cervical cancer issues. The economy went bad at work. You know, in 2008, everybody slowed down. So I went from 40 hours to 32 hours and bringing the only income home for, 6 months or so.
In the face of these challenges, Amanda's marriage fell apart, leaving her as a single mom with a young child and a mountain of past due bills. Amanda got credit counseling and moved into her parents' house, but high-interest loan payments meant it would take her years to be free of debt.
I mean, I have a great family and a great support system, but you can only ask for help or, I know it makes a difference. It's not like I asked for this in life, and it's just been, sorry.
One day, as Amanda was going through her department's mail, she came upon a flyer for AWCI Cares. She took the information to her supervisor, who gave her the green light to apply.
The paperwork is easy. It's 10 minutes, of time, and it can change. It can make a big difference in one's life. It really could.
Within a few weeks, Amanda received a call from AWCI Cares. After reviewing her application, the committee voted to send a check for the remainder of her debt to her creditor. While not an enormous amount of money, that relief gave Amanda the ability to provide a stable and secure life for herself and her daughter.
We have our own place, we do rent, but she's got a great big bedroom and a great big yard to play in, and yeah, it's great. She gets to ride her bike everywhere, and we're not in Grandpa and Grandma's way.
After experiencing a loss or hardship, any employee on the payroll of an AWCI member company can apply to AWCI Cares for financial aid. An unexpected medical bill, funeral expenses, costs incurred when a home is lost due to fire or natural disaster, basic needs such as utilities due to an emergency or unexpected event, or even as an extra assist to make up a shortfall related to receiving workman's comp. A stroke suffered in the middle of the night by an employee of Marek brothers marked the beginning of a devastating sequence of events.
He was in intensive care for about 6 weeks. Of course, we all contributed funds, try to take care of help them with their bills, their mortgages, their car payments, and those don't stop, even though he's in the hospital in intensive care and can't get out. During that process, we applied to CARES for assistance, and they came through with a grant that helped carry him through the times when his short-term disability was making small payments and his long-term disability hadn't kicked in yet. To get this kind of assistance, because taking the stress off of them, worrying about how they're going to make payments while he is laying in a hospital bed, that is comforting to know that he's got an employer and an association that helps him that way.
The AWCI Cares application process is a confidential one. Only one person at AWCI knows identity of recipient. Forms are available online, and although the employee fills them out, certain information must be verified by employer. Decisions by the CARES Committee are made on a case-by-case basis. Each applicant remains anonymous to committee members. Award checks are written and sent directly to the entity owed, not to the applicant.
The people, the administrators at CARES, actually called a couple of our department managers and asked them specific questions about, is that all? And there's something else that you might need, insurance premiums, for a matter of fact, deductions, in the event that some of those things had deductions, could we help cover those? They thought of things that we didn't.
Caring Action Relief in emergency situations means just that. The grants must be applied to a serious financial difficulty incurred through no fault of the employee. Won't cover an inconvenience, such as having a wisdom tooth taken out.
You know, our men or people, our carpenters, are a family to us. And sometimes bad things happen to good people, and that's exactly what this program's designed to do. I had two people who were very fortunate to receive grants. One was a cancer situation where, you know, we don't have to tell you what those bills add up to, and they add up quickly, and he received significant assistance with those. The process was very quick. Some minor verification. The other one was an off-the-job injury, motorcycle accident, neck, medical bills, things like that, and help pay the bills. It's very important for all members of AWCI to know about this, to promote, and to share the benefits. I mean, people are here, we care, we're making donations. The money's there to be used for this kind of cause. I mean, awareness is what it's really all about.
There are a number of ways you can let your employees know about AWCI Cares. If your company has a human resources department, make sure those people know about the program and how it works. Employees can be introduced to the program through a variety of means. Inserts in their paycheck envelopes, posters in the employee break room, and talks during safety sessions.
People hold safety meetings. When we're talking about the life safety of our employees, what a perfect time to talk about AWCI Cares.
You can support AWCI Cares in 3 ways. Make sure your employees are aware of the program. Encourage employees in need to apply for financial aid. And when you and your company are able, contribute financially to the program so that funds will always be available to those who need them.
Through all the challenges of the last handful of years in this industry, we are still among the most fortunate people on earth. And yet, we have people in our very industry who are some of the most unfortunate and who've had difficult things happen to them. We not only have an opportunity to help, we have an obligation to help. And this wonderful organization of AWCI, this great foundation that we support, and AWCI Cares brings that all together. We don't want to miss the opportunity. The foundation is fortunate to have resources because of the tremendous donations among the active membership for many, many years. We need to continue to draw funds from the members to support AWCI Cares.
And I guess I'm just so grateful that people who, you know, don't have a, you know, they don't know, and know me from Adam. And
Thank you, AWCI Cares.